Butt. Why is your butt? Nobody wants to look at your butt. Okay, we gotta put this down for a second. We gotta put this down for a second. This is not how you make a video. Oh, see, Mom getting mad. There you go. Hey, no. Oh, Hunter. Hunter. Bubba. No. All right. You're just like moving. Okay, where are you going? Oh, that's Mommy Soda. Where are you going? It is 1:32 in the morning. This is how we roll. Yeah. You're supposed to be asleep. You're not listening. The boy has free reign. Mommy is a sucker. What are you doing, Hunter? Hey, troublemaker. Nene. Where do you do? You have too much stuff. Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay. Hunter. Where are you going? No? I'm not following you. That's down the hallway to his room. I'm not following you. I'm not going to follow you. Hey, monster, come back. No, we're not going over there. Come on. Oscar, get out of the camera. Hunter, nobody wants to stare at your bottom all day. Okay, I'm bored. Are you bored? I'm bored. No more video. What are you doing? Stop headbutting the cat. Come on. Okay, let's go back to the couch. Okay. Back to the couch. Come on. Come on. What is that? I have no idea what that is.
Corn stew.
You're like a semi-chop back nut.
I'm enjoying some of the elements.
We're also watching Chop on the big screen. See? This is TV that we watch every day. Okay, back to baby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.